Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up 25% over the last 1 month. The last 1 year has seen Bitcoin rally up by more than 132%. Bitcoin is having a very great year. Bitcoin is having a very great month. How high do we think Bitcoin will go before the end of the year? The last 2 months I've seen Bitcoin made a very crazy move. Bitcoin was trading for as low as $24,000 way back in September. Right now it trades above $37,000. We take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart. We also look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market. Altcoins season index tells us we're almost at all season. There's growth in the cryptocurrency market. How will that affect the price of Bitcoin? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
I can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Good times have returned back to the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is pumping. Altcoin market is having a great time. There is a lot of bullishness in the market. But do we expect new all-time high before the end of the year? Do we expect Bitcoin to blast above $40,000? Maybe even get to as high as $50,000 before the end of the year? This has been a very crazy year for Bitcoin. Bitcoin started the year after 1 whole year of dumped gobbling town. Bitcoin started 2023. After we went from as high as $69,000 at the ending of 2021, the whole of 2022 was a dump year. We saw Bitcoin dumping and losing more than 70% of its value in that brutal bear market. But Bitcoin has shown us it has a very, very strong ability to recover after dumping to gobbling town. We've been through various bear markets. It's 7% dump is nothing to write home about. We've seen Bitcoin even go down 90% and still recover. But again, we're not expecting new all-time highs on this channel, guys. Yes, a lot of people are super bullish. We have been bullish on this channel ever since the bottom came in. Bitcoin has been rallying to higher prices. We have been bullish on this channel. But right now, I believe we are getting to the end of the pump. We're not going to pump to the moon forever. A lot of people have the idea that we're in a new bull run, the Bitcoin halving. I believe Bitcoin will still have a huge pump to the moon, but I don't still believe a new all-time highs is possible. I don't even believe Bitcoin will rally above $48,000. I believe from now to the end of the year, Bitcoin has the $37,000 level to the $47,000 level to finish this rally. But why am I having that strong belief? Why am I expecting us to have a huge dump in 2024 when every other market participants out there is telling you we're going for a big bull run as the halving is around the corner? Guys, it all leads down back to the altcoin market. Altcoins are having a great time. Altcoins are pumping to the moon. If you take a look at the altcoin season index, we have been stocking Bitcoin season for majority of 2023, which is very, very good. If you're holding Bitcoin, it means capital was concentrated in the Bitcoin market. It means Bitcoin was outperforming the altcoin market, which is very, very nice. But right now, we're heading into an altcoin month. We're heading into an alt season. An alt season will mean 75% of the top 50 coins will have performed better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. And right now, a lot of altcoins are doing better than Bitcoin, even though Bitcoin is up 43% over the last 90 days. If you zoom in on the monthly time frame, it even gets more outrageous. We're very close to an altcoin month. We have left a Bitcoin month more than 21 days ago. That's why you have seen the altcoin market having a very, very crazy time. And back to Bitcoin, I believe Bitcoin has done majority of the pump. Take a look at what Bitcoin has done since the start of the year. We saw Bitcoin starting the year from $16,000. We got to that $32,000 level in April of 2023. By then, Bitcoin was already up around 100% from the bottom. Then we got a mini alt season where people was pumping to higher prices. We saw Bob, we saw irrationality in the market. Ethereum went above $2,000, and we had a 6-month period where Bitcoin was just going sideways. Anytime the market is pumping, people like to forget what Bitcoin has done before the pump happened. But guys, we saw Bitcoin going sideways from April till the pump started, and that pump just started way back in October. This pump just started just around 60 days ago. We saw Bitcoin finding the bottom on the 11th of September 2023, and since then Bitcoin has rallied up by around 49%. So the last 69 days I've seen Bitcoin going up 49%, but before then Bitcoin gave us more than 100% pump. A lot of people get bullish at the end, and that's why I believe we're getting the end of this Bitcoin pump, because right now there's growth in the cryptocurrency market. It doesn't mean you should go and sell all your bags. When we start seeing extreme growth return back to the market, that might be one of the telltale signs that we're in the end. We've already seen altcoin start outperforming Bitcoin. That's one sign we're looking for. We're already seeing greed in the cryptocurrency market. And we have extreme fear, we have neutral sentiment in the market, we have greed, and after greed comes extreme greed. After extreme greed, we have to reset back to extreme fear. Extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin dominance is also dumping, and Bitcoin dominance dumping has never been good for Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance dumping means either one, the altcoin market is performing better than Bitcoin, or two, Bitcoin is performing better than the altcoin market, or three, the whole market is dumping, but Bitcoin is dumping not as fast as the altcoin market. Right now, the condition that fits what Bitcoin dominance is doing is that the altcoin market is pumping harder than Bitcoin, and that's why I've seen Bitcoin dominance go down. If you see Bitcoin dominance breaking that key level, Bitcoin dominance breaking 51.7%, guys, the altcoin market might go parabolic, and that might be the end of the Bitcoin pump. You might not agree with what I'm saying, guys, but time will show whether I'm right or wrong. History has shown over time that when Bitcoin is pumping, the market is fine. When Bitcoin is pumping, we should be happy. When Bitcoin is pumping, everything is good. But as we see the altcoin market joining the pump, the reason why the altcoin market is joining the pump is that we are getting to the end of that rally. We saw it earlier in the year when Bitcoin had that first stop in April. Go back to the charts and check what the altcoin market was doing in April, March, and February. We're seeing outrageous pumps. We're seeing AI coins pumping to higher values. Right now, we're seeing this kind of outrageous pumps, and that's why I'm bringing you this Bitcoin warning video. It doesn't mean Bitcoin will start dumping to gobbling down today. Bitcoin's price still sits at $7,000. I expect it to get maybe as high as $40,000 or maybe $41,000 before the end of the year. If you want to buy some Bitcoin, you can get Bitcoin on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on Bitstamp, on KuCoin, and anywhere you get your popular cryptocurrencies, you can get Bitcoin right there. Bitcoin's market cap sits at $725 billion. 24-hour trading volume sits at $14.1 billion. Bitcoin has a total supply of 19.5 million coins. Maximum supply sitting at 21 million coins. Bitcoin all-time highs happened on the 10th of November 2021. Bitcoin traded for as high as $68,700. Why people buying Bitcoin? Why everybody expecting Bitcoin to go to new all-time highs? Guys, because Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer online currency, meaning that all transactions happen directly between equal, independent network participants without the need for any intermediary to permit or facilitate them. Bitcoin was created, according to Nakamoto's own word, to allow online payment to be sent directly from one party to another without going through a financial institution. Bitcoin is going to have huge pumps to the moon, but always remember we're going to have huge jumps to Goblin Town. You're here to make some money. You want to buy when we're down in Goblin Town. You want to accumulate when we're down here. When we're down in Goblin Town, we're accumulating, guys. It looked as if we'll continue going to Goblin Town. A lot of people are saying 12K is imminent, $10,000. But we saw Bitcoin find support at $15,000, and Bitcoin has been rallying ever since. We're seeing a lot of bearish market participants all through the way for Bitcoin right now. And finally, as Bitcoin crossed at $2,000, we're seeing bullishness return. I'm just waiting for that extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. Anytime you see extreme greed, anytime you see the Altcoin season index telling us we're in alt season, it means altcoins have taken over from Bitcoin. It means there's irrationality in the market. It means we're getting to the end of that rally. Coupled with Bitcoin dominance dumping to Goblin Town, these are three important signs you need to have to know when the Bitcoin rally is coming to an end. Guys, drop a thought in the comment section. Tell me your own Bitcoin target before the end of the year. Do you think $50,000 is possible? Do you think I'm hyper bearish on Bitcoin? And do you see Bitcoin giving me a very huge surprise and probably pumping to new all-time highs from where Bitcoin is trading right now? Bitcoin just needs to give us less than 100% pump to get to new all-time highs. Do you think the ETF narrative is going to carry Bitcoin to new all-time highs? How high do you think it's going to go before the end of the year? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.